You've been posting, you've been promoting, and you've got absolutely nothing to show for it. No commissions, no sales, just silence. If that's where you're at right now, stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share with you completely changed how I approach Digistore24, and it can do the same for you. Here's the thing most people don't talk about. Affiliate marketing on Digistore24 isn't hard because the products are bad or because the platform doesn't work. It's hard because nobody ever showed you the actual system. So you do what everybody does. You find a product, you post about it, you maybe share it a few times on social media, and then you wait and wait and wait. And when nothing happens, you find another product, you post again, you try a different platform, you watch more YouTube videos, you buy another course, and the cycle just keeps going, and your commission dashboard just keeps sitting there at zero. That random scattered approach isn't a strategy, it's busy work, and busy work doesn't pay. I know exactly how that feels, because I lived it. I remember sitting at my kitchen table on a Tuesday night, staring at my Digistore24 dashboard for probably the 100th time. I had been at this for weeks. I thought I was doing everything right. I was posting consistently. I picked products with good gravity scores. I even wrote what I thought were really compelling captions, and the number on my screen was still 0. I almost closed the laptop and walked away for good that night. I genuinely thought maybe this just isn't for me. Maybe the people making money from this already had an audience, already had connections, already knew something I didn't. And then it hit me. They did know something I didn't. Not a secret, not some underground hack, a system, a repeatable, structured system that turned daily effort into predictable results instead of random hope. Once I figured out what that system actually looked like, everything changed. And I'm not talking about working more hours. I'm talking about 90 minutes a day, done the right way, in the right order, pointed at the right things. Why? That's exactly what I put together in From Zero to Commission, a working method for Digistore24. This is a complete step-by-step method built specifically for Digistore24 affiliates who are tired of posting into the void and are ready to start seeing real commissions on a consistent basis. The method is broken into 5 modules, and here's how they work together. The first module is Foundation. This is where we stop guessing and start building. You'll learn how to pick the right products for your situation, understand what actually makes a Digistore24 offer convert, and set up your presence so that when people land on your content, they're already halfway sold before you say a word. The second module is traffic. Not just any traffic, targeted traffic that's already interested in what you're promoting. You'll learn how to create content that pulls people in rather than just broadcasting into empty space. The third module is conversion. Getting eyes on your links is only half the job. This module shows you how to move someone from curious to clicking to buying using simple conversational content that doesn't feel pushy or salesy. The fourth module is System. This is the 90-minute daily framework that holds everything together. You'll know exactly what to do, in what order, every single day, so you're never sitting there wondering what to post or where to focus. And the fifth module is Scale. Once commissions start coming in, this is where you learn how to grow without burning yourself out, how to take what's working and multiply it. 16 chapters across 5 modules, all written in plain English, no fluff, no filler, just the method. But I didn't want to just hand you a book and wish you luck. So I put together 4 bonuses that make this a complete implementation package. The first bonus is the Plug and Play Content Pack, valued at $47. This gives you done-for-you templates, headline formulas, and email sequences you can adapt and use immediately. You don't have to stare at a blank screen wondering what to write. The second bonus is the Commission Calendar, valued at $29. This is your 30-day implementation planner that maps out exactly what to focus on each day so you're building momentum from day one instead of trying to figure out where to start. The third bonus is the Done For You Launch Kit, valued at $67. 30 days of content ideas plus 50 pre-written posts you can customize and start using right away. This alone could save you hours every single week. And the fourth bonus is the Affiliate Toolbox, valued at $37. 15 essential free tools that the people consistently making commissions are already using. Everything from research tools to content creation to tracking, all free, all practical. So when you add that up, you're getting the main method plus bonuses worth $180 in total value. And I'm not going to charge you anywhere near that. The entire package, the ebook, all 4 bonuses, everything is $27. That's it. $27 for a complete system, done-for-you content, a 30-day roadmap, and a toolbox full of free resources. And here's the thing. You don't even have to decide right now if this is for you. You have 60 full days to go through the entire method, apply it, and see what happens. If you go through from zero to commission, put the 90-minute system into practice, and you're not seeing results you're happy with, just send an email and you get every penny back. No hoops, no hassle, no hard feelings. The risk is entirely on me. So here's what I want you to think about for just a second. 90 days from today, 2 things are possible. You keep doing what you're doing. The random posting, the product hopping, the hope and wait strategy, and your dashboard still looks the same. Or you spend $27 today, you plug into a real system, and 90 days from now, you're looking at actual commissions and finally understanding what the people ahead of you already figured out. This method works. The system is simple, the tools are included, the roadmap is already built. All you have to do is click the button below this video, grab your copy for $27, and start tonight. You've spent enough time wondering why it isn't working. Let's find out what happens when it does. Click the button. I'll see you inside.